Bitcoin may be at the start of a bull market that could last another nearly 1,000 days, according to chart analysis from the pseudonymous crypto-focused Twitter account at CryptoHornHairs. According to a chart shared by CryptoHornHairs on the 11th of January, Bitcoin is at the beginning of a near 4-year market cycle that it has followed closely since 2015. According to CryptoHornHair's analysis, the first 1,064 days of each cycle involves a massive rally from the previous bear market trough. Once the market is peaked, it then enters a 364-day bear market. This pattern was followed exactly in the last 2 cycles. That implies that Bitcoin should rally over the coming years and peak in 994 days, 1,001 days at the time of CryptoHornHair's post, before entering a 364-day bear market. Music to bullish ears. This is exactly the kind of news the long-term Bitcoin bulls want to hear. With prices having pushed back above and held to the north of the $20,000 level in recent days as some declare the 2022 bear market over. Some analysts think that the U.S. price pressures, CPI, PPI, and wage growth, easing faster than expected, and indicators of U.S. growth slowing faster than expected, the Fed, despite its insistence to the contrary, may be forced to cut interest rates before long, a belief that is propping up the market at present. Even if Bitcoin does end up following its historic 4-year market cycle to the letter once again, the gains enjoyed during the coming bull market phase aren't likely to match those seen in the past. In the 2015 to late 2017 bull market, Bitcoin posted a near 13,000% rally before the bear market began. Meanwhile, during the late 2018 to late 2021 bull market, Bitcoin gained a still impressive but far more moderate 2,000% rally. Perhaps this time a prolonged bull market could see Bitcoin peak under 1,000% of its recent trough close to $15,500. Not that anyone would be complaining about a 1,000% rally from recent lows. That implies Bitcoin nearing $175,000 in 2025. Other bullish signs. Other major technical and on-chain indicators will also give hope to the bulls. Firstly, Bitcoin's rally since the start of 2023 has seen it surge back to the north of its 200-day moving average for the first time since right at the end of 2021. The 200 DMA was last just above $19,500. Whilst not always the case, major breaks back above the 200 DMA have been a good indicator of sustained upside in the past. According to Glassnode data, Bitcoin has also recently pushed back to the north of its realized price. The realized price is essentially the average price that was paid for each Bitcoin at the time when each Bitcoin last moved. A sustained break back above the realized price after a prolonged period below it, which has been the story of the last few months, is a signal that the next bull market has begun. Another similar indicator called Net Unrealized Profit/Loss, NUPL, has also recently moved back into positive territory according to Glassnode data. That suggests the average wallet on the Bitcoin network is back in profit. Typically, a recovery of the NUPL indicator back into positive territory after a prolonged spell in red signifies that a new bull market has begun. Altcoins to consider. Cryptocurrency markets have been performing well since the start of 2023, but the longer-term bear market remains very much still in play. Investors might still want to consider diversifying their holdings with the discounted pre-sale tokens of some promising up-and-coming crypto projects. Here is a list of a few that analysts at Inside Bitcoins think have the potential to perform well. Fightout. Pre-sale on now. The young move to earn crypto niche has shown a lot of promise, but early success stories like STEPN have significant limitations that have, so far, prevented them from conquering the mainstream. Fightout, which touts itself as the future of Move to Earn, wants to change that in 2023. Fightout is a brand new Web3 fitness application and gym chain that rewards its users for working out. Fightout is a brand new Web3 fitness application and gym chain that rewards its users for working out, completing challenges, and competing within its first-of-a-kind fitness metaverse. Calvaria. Pre-sale nearly over. RIA, the token that will power Afterlife fantasy-themed NFT battle card game Calvaria, is also currently in pre-sale. The play-to-earn, P2E crypto gaming startup has raised close to $3 million in just a few months since the launch of its pre-sale. Only around 12% of its tokens remain up for grabs. Calvaria seeks to bring crypto gaming into the mainstream by tapping into a huge existing market. The market for physical battle card games. Think viral sensations of the past like Pokemon and Yu-Gi-Oh! And with the crypto gaming space expected to grow from $4.6 billion in size in 2022 to $65.7 billion in size by 2027. According to an analysis by Markets and Markets, there is plenty of room for massive growth. Calvaria is set to launch its headline fantasy-themed card game, Duels of Eternity, in Q2 2023. C+ Charge. Pre-sale now on. The carbon credit industry is projected to be worth $2.4 trillion by 2027. Democratizing access to accrue these benefits is going to be a massive business in the years ahead, and this is something crypto startup C+ Charge hopes to achieve. C+ Charge is currently building a blockchain-based peer-to-peer (P2P) payment system for EV charging stations that will allow the drivers of electric vehicles, EVs, to earn carbon credits. C+ Charge aims to boost the role of carbon credits as a key incentive for the adoption of EVs. At present, large manufacturers of EVs like Tesla earn millions from selling carbon credits to polluters. C+ Charge wants to democratize the carbon credit market by allowing more of these rewards to find themselves in the hands of the EV owners rather than just the big businesses. Meta Masters Guild. Meta Masters Guild is an up-and-coming Web3 mobile gaming ecosystem that says it wants to create fun and addictive games that utilize non-fungible tokens, NFTs, allowing community members to earn rewards as well as stake and trade. Game development is already underway, with the team set to launch their first title, Metacarts, in the coming months. The promising crypto gaming startup is currently conducting a pre-sale of its MEMAG tokens, which are currently being sold for $0.007 each. According to some observers, this is a steal. This price will have risen to $0.023 by the 7th stage of the pre-sale, meaning early investors could be sat on paper gains of over 300% by the time the pre-sale ends. What do you think about Bitcoin? Are you investing or not? Tell us in the comments below.